I work at a private practice with my brother, and I also work as a part-time academic at the University of Buenos Aires. I have a beautiful family, a husband, 3 children, and a dog, who give me the strength and love that I need to keep on with life. And I also love running. Running helps me a lot to energize me and helps me to release some tension. I enjoy very much working with young people at the university, at my office, and I also very passionate with women, working with women, helping them to develop themselves. So how do I do all these things? Well, that's not easy, keeping the balance. So every day I struggle to do my best at home, at my office, with my patients, and with the Women Implantology Network, with my circle. And I think I'm more or less doing it okay. It's not easy, that's life.